This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials. Plug the Dell into AC power and ensure a stable network. This prevents interruption and corrupted updates. Once done, verify battery is above 20% or keep the charger connected. Next, back up any critical files or enable file history so you can recover if something goes wrong. Now open Settings, choose Update and Security, and click Windows Update. This brings you to the Control Center, where you can check for updates and start the download immediately. You should click Check for Updates and let Windows enumerate available items. This reveals feature, quality, driver, and firmware updates. Prioritize feature updates first because they change system components, then install driver and Dell firmware packages to ensure compatibility. If the Dell Update app shows a BIOS or firmware update, install it with AC power and follow the vendor prompts. Make sure to manage restarts. Choose Restart Now only if you're ready, or schedule the reboot outside your active hours to avoid disruption. Once installation finishes, verify that every update shows installed and run a final reboot so drivers and services initialize correctly. If you see error codes, run Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot Windows Update to diagnose. This often fixes component store or service issues. For driver or firmware problems, open Dell Support Assist or roll back the specific driver in Device Manager. If a BIOS update fails or the machine won't boot, avoid forcing power cycles. Instead, use Dell Recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.